Titler Live for SportzCast is a revolutionary new way to seamlessly integrate titles and dynamic scoreboards into your live broadcast. Getting started is easy. Simply select a scoreboard design from the template library, or start a new one from inside the Title Designer. The Title Designer's extensive suite of tools gives you the power to create a new scoreboard completely from scratch, but if you already have your graphics on hand, simply use the import tools. With Titler Live, any imported Photoshop file will retain its original layers, making animating quick and easy. Just drag an animation from the library and it will be applied to each layer in your graphic. Make sure your intro and outro animations fall within their respective start and end regions of the elastic timeline to ensure that your scoreboard animates correctly. With the design in place, it's time to add the text variables. We'll start by selecting Add Paragraph and then adjusting the look and style of our text using Titler Live's extensive set of text editing tools. It's often wise to use the Fit Text to Box option when designing scoreboards to ensure long names and high scores don't spill outside of their respective boxes. Repeat this process for adding as many variables as you like: scores, timeouts, graphics, clocks, and aesthetic elements until your scoreboard looks exactly how you want it to look. This is also a good time to add animations to each individual element. With the aesthetic elements of your scoreboard complete, it's time to start designating your input behavior for use with the SportzCast device. To do this, select the desired text object and check Text Variable in the Object tab. Select the appropriate sport from the first dropdown, in this case football, and the applicable variable from the second dropdown, in this case clock 1. For all sports, clock 1 refers to the game clock, and clock 2 refers to any secondary clock, such as penalties or play clocks. Repeat this process for every variable in your scoreboard: scores, team names, logos, clocks, and timeouts until all appropriate elements have been marked as a variable. Optional variables can be added at your discretion, but in order for the scoreboard to work, all required variables need to be present. Once your scoreboard is finished, save your work and return to the playout interface by closing the Title Designer. Sync your scoreboard to your ScoreBot from inside the Settings menu under Input. Connect directly to your ScoreBot device over your network by inputting its IP address, or connect to the SportzCast server. Enter your license, bot number, and channel and press Connect. When connecting to the server for the first time, make sure the bot number field is set to 0 for authentication purposes, after which you must connect to your bot number for regular use. Your scoreboard will now display the information from your SportzCast device live in real time, and every variable controlled by your ScoreBot will disappear from Titler Live's playout interface. You'll still be able to make some changes to your scoreboard from this window. For example, team logos can be quickly swapped out and the scoreboard itself can be moved or resized from the preview window. With an intuitive interface, Photoshop file imports, and quick integration with SportzCast, Titler Live is designed to be a seamless addition to your existing broadcasting suite. To learn more, check out the entire Titler Live collection at NewBlueFX.com today.